How to fix Zangi registration error. Seeing an error when you try to register for the Zangi, it happens sometimes, but let's figure out how to fix it together. Okay, the first step is look at your internet connection. Are you on the stable Wi-Fi or mobile data? Sometimes registration fails just because the signal isn't strong enough or drops out. Try switching between the Wi-Fi or the data, or even restart your router if you are using the Wi-Fi. Did trying that make a difference? If your connection seems fine, next up is the Zangi app itself. Do you have the absolute latest version installed? An older version might have the box that can cause registration issues. Maybe the easiest thing is to actually uninstall the app completely, then reinstall it fresh from your app store. Have you already given that a shot? Another really common one, double check the phone number you are entering. If none of these steps work and you are still seeing that error, it might be time to contact Zangi support team. They can check if maybe there's an issue on their end or something specific to your account with the device. So remember to check your internet, try reinstalling it, and reach out to support if you are still stuck. Hopefully one of these gets your Zangi registration working. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.